Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathnan High School, Vijayawada. Today, I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 18 June 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are old and slow. It's the first topic, and the second topic is and reverse migration. Today, we'll discuss the first topic, old and slow. So, as we discuss the second topic, let's go a small through it. Political mobilization based on opportunistic defection can only offer limited purchase. Means political empowerment or political leaderships, they may affect the purchase of our limitations in our daily life. So we are going to discuss about the politicians and the leaders, what were their problems or the defects or everything in that topic. But today our topic is old and slow, right? So let's get into our today's topic. Old and slow. India and New Zealand are vying for the latest ICC trophy in the game's original format. Okay, in the game's original format. See here the word vying, it means compete, contend or contest. Compete, contend or contest. Okay, so here the India and the New Zealand were trying, they both were contested, means they both were contesting for the current ICC trophy in the games. Means it's a play match cricket. It's a cricket play match between the India and New Zealand. Ever since Australia and England played the first ever test at Melbourne in March 1877, cricket's longest format has constantly evolved. Okay, see here evolved. Here evolved it means develop, progress or advance. Develop, progress or advance. Okay, see here the Australia and the England played first for the first ever test at Melbourne. It's a place in March 1877. It's in 18th. And it was the cricket's longest format that was conducted or developed. Timeless tests were dispensed with and rest days within a game were discarded while faster siblings one day internationals and 2020s emerged. Emerged means when 2020s came nearly. Okay, so the time timeless test means there is no time, and the tests that were with and rest days within the game that were conducted while the siblings that were conducted on one day internationals and in 2020s emerged. Emerged means that were being or that were developed then. As the abridged variants attracted fans and commerce, tests of recent vintage also embraced the day and night spectacle. Through these changes, nations have tested themselves in bilateral series with the Ashes and Indian-Pakistan clashes having stronger brand unity. Okay, see here, abridged, it means to strengthen or to shorten. Okay, abridged, it means to shorten. And vintage, it's a period of time, era, quality or timeless. Okay, I said right, timeless test, it means a period of test. Okay, like in the same way. And embraced means hug, clutch or accept. Okay, means we must embrace change. We must accept the changes that were taken in our lives or anything. So this is the meaning of embraced. Okay. So here they are saying about the means there was a shot there as the shortened also has embraced, means also has accepted the day and night spectacle, means the day and night focus, though the changes that were taken in the nations have also tested the bilateral series, means two sides of the series with the containing of Ashes and India-Pakistan clashes, which were more stronger. Okay. Yet, there was a demand for context, a yearning that these languid affairs with breaks for lunch and tea over 5 days, coalesce into something more scientific. Okay, see here, yearning. Okay, yearning, it means longing, carving, or desire of having something. Okay, and languid means unenergetic, or we can easily say that lazy. Unenergetic means that the person doesn't know anything, he's lazy. We also can say, for example, this guy is languid, means this guy is so lazy, he cannot do any work, or he's unenergetic. Okay, and the other meaning is also lethargic. Next, coalesce means unite, combine, or merge. Unite, combine, or merge. Okay, fine. Limited overs cricket had World Cups, but in tests it was all about annual rankings. The International Cricket Council stepped in to plug this gap with the World Test Championship, and the inaugural final will feature India and New Zealand. The leading two teams based on points garnered, means gathering since 2019. The summit clash commencing at Southampton's Ageas Bowl on Friday presents an opportunity for both India and New Zealand to gain some ICC silverware that is missing in their trophy cabinets. The respective countries have suffered a title drought, with New Zealand winning the ICC knockout tournament as the Champions Trophy was known then. Back in 2000, while India claimed the ICC Champions Trophy in 2013. Okay, so there were the ICC has stepped into the World Test Championship, and they have conducted the final feature for the India and New Zealand, which were the two leading teams that were based on their gathering points since 2019, and the clash has started at the Southampton's Ageas Bowl on the Friday. Maybe it's a playground or it's a place. Presents an opportunity for both India and New Zealand to gain the ICC silverware medal trophy, and the two countries has also suffered a title with New Zealand by winning the ICC knockout tournament, as also the championships trophy was also known and back in 2000, while the India has claimed the ICC Champions Trophy in the year of 2013. So in the year of 2013, India has claimed the ICC Trophy. Previously, Virat Kohli's and Kane Williams' men had riveting joust, though it was the New Zealanders who mostly emerged on top. India lost the 2019 World Cup semi-final at Manchester, and last year in New Zealand won the T20s and IS, and then succumbed in the ODIs and tests. A neutral venue can negate home advantage but New Zealand may feel more comfortable while taking into account the playing surface and the prevailing weather. However, India has the confidence gleaned from winning in Australia while also getting the better of England when Joe Root's men came visiting. Meanwhile, true to its giant slayer tag, New Zealand edged past England with a 1-0 verdict in the two-test series over the last fortnight. Williamson and company have been in cricket's birthplace for a longer time with additional matches under their belt, while India has the solace of intra-squad warm-up games. Okay, means the India also have some warm-up games, and we also know that Virat Kohli and Wenny Williamson, right? So the simplistic trope would be Indian batting against opposition bowling, but the times having changed. The Kohli has an incisive pace arsenal led by Jasprit Bumrah. Besides solid backup in spin, the teams seem equal, and the provision for an extra sixth day should come in handy as rains are forecast. If there is a draw or a tie, the championship will be shared, which is ideal as in their unique ways. India and New Zealand have repeatedly proved their mettle. Okay, so